Look, this is honey noodles. Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Today we're in Chengdu experiencing how locals eat maocai. Bringing our own pot, this pot's my one and only pot in Chengdu. And it's been burned before this shop's one I ate it over 2 years ago. It's basically my first love for Chengdu maocai. Sorry, we're the first table again today. Coming at 9 something, most eager to eat. Let's go. After 2 years of countless amazing maocai places, I'm here today to see if it's still my ideal in my heart. Let's go try it. My pot won't fit, kinda ugly. Now I'm ready to eat. Wow. Pouring oil, I can already smell that red oil fragrance. Plus that soul bean juice goo. Flying down 3,000 feet. Lift the pot and eat quick. We're finally about to eat. I got here pretty early too. Got a buddy in the East Province who came even earlier. Really, won't let mistakes like this happen again. Wow. Look at that lasagna group's coffee bowl, covered in chili oil and sesame. Wow. Wow, haven't had this in 2 years. Still smells amazing. When I ordered extra spicy, this guy next to me, too spicy. Me too, he goes, wow, so spicy. But the extra spicy's actually fine, not that bad. More like medium plus, just a bit more. But it really smells great. Getting better with each bite. Smells so good. And it's like, does eating it hurt? Mine. They're really good with the chili oil and sesame. And all these spices. Really, it's just a bowl full of seasonings, I feel. I didn't eat breakfast. I think having brunch like this is really satisfying. Look at the layered group stuck pot. Inside's covered with chili oil and sesame. Their place is really heavy on spice and heat, and heavy on oil and ingredients. Really, when you eat it, the whole flavor is really more than enough. Nothing like hot pot or skewer places. Wow, look, here's honey noodles. After eating for 2 days. Why do I feel their flavors got even stronger? It really looks like roast duck to me. First TMI and all. Outen chi upside down. Wajung wan shang xin lun. Tai yo bi ba zie. So chewy, it's like cream in my mouth. Like biting into tapioca pearls, so fragrant. Let me show you. This red oil's definitely going home. Tonight, I'm taking it home to cook something else. I think this pickled cabbage tastes better after soaking. Much more flavorful, really. Look how this lettuce absorbs the oil. Just ate half a bowl. Look at this, it's all broth. Okay. This cabbage is so smart. It soaks up the soup by itself. And it's not bland at all. I love eating this stuff. The oil's pretty heavy, can get rich. Final thought, this place is heavy on oil, numbing spice, heat, and black beans. Heavy ingredients. That's the key, heavy ingredients. Their flavor's really intense. They're super generous with portions. I'd go with mild spice. You might not handle more, it's a really great little spot, you should try it. That's what we filmed today, thanks, bye-bye.